Welcome to Unite, Franklin Electric's cloud-based app for the NexPhase smart EV switchgear. Unite provides charge point operators with access to real-time utility power, switchgear, and EV charger performance diagnostics. Its remote monitoring, troubleshooting, and control capabilities with automated alarms help facilitate condition-based maintenance and increase EV charger uptime, something EV chargers alone cannot provide. Through the network view, CPOs can visualize their entire EV charging network geographically. This view makes it easy to visually confirm the status of all EV charging sites and quickly key in on those that may require attention or maintenance. A site operating normally will appear green. A site affected by a warning that is still in operation will appear yellow. A site with an outage or alarm requiring attention will appear red. Click into a location for a detailed site dashboard view. Through the site dashboard, CPOs can view the operational status of the EV charging station's critical assets, including the switchgear and all EV chargers. The incoming power indicator on each asset lets you know that the device is receiving utility power. Unite reports the status of site safety features like flammable vapor detection, flood detection, and crash detection. In the event of a safety warning, Unite can automatically power the entire site down. If this is triggered, a notification is generated so CPOs can quickly identify and react to outages. Through Unite, each asset can be remotely reset using the Remote Power Cycle feature. This capability allows a CPO to conduct a hard reboot that removes all power from the desired asset. This function can be used to help clear common charger outages or software issues that would otherwise require a maintenance trip. Stale charger detection helps CPOs locate chargers that have not executed a charge in a user-defined time period. A stale charger can be a good indication of several charger outages that the chargers themselves may not be able to detect or communicate on their own. This can include charger software or communication failures, damage or vandalism, or physical obstruction to the charger at the site. If a charger is reported stale due to a software or communication failure, the Remote Power Cycle function can be used. With the Power Availability tile, CPOs can scroll through power availability metrics by trailing week, month, quarter, or year. This feature can be used to key in on chargers with power availability issues and dive deeper into the causes of those outages. The Power Availability dashboard gives CPOs access to key utility power metrics, tracks outage history, and helps simplify uptime reporting. Power Availability tracking helps CPOs identify any fluctuations or issues in the utility power supply so they can proactively address outages by individual charger. Unite also provides automated NEVI outage exclusion tracking to simplify uptime reporting. Outage tracking lets CPOs understand the cause of outages and helps to identify patterns or recurring issues that are impacting the reliability of the charging site. Unite will monitor and automatically track the outage by type. This information can be used to address the sources of downtime with precision and help increase overall uptime. The Charger Transactions dashboard provides CPOs with transaction metrics that can be used to track and trend charger activity, charge durations, output power, and energy consumed. Detailed charge tracking helps to identify high-demand periods, optimize energy usage, plan maintenance, and implement load management strategies to minimize peak demand chargers. Active energy tracking allows CPOs to view charger performance both in terms of power consumption and number of transactions to verify chargers are performing as expected and quickly identify those that are not. The Power Analytics dashboard features advanced data visualization tools for analyzing site power usage and performance. Track and trend key power metrics including current by phase, voltage by phase, power factor by phase, apparent power, active power, reactive power. With early detection of EV charger deficiencies and system performance diagnostics provided by Unite, CPOs are armed with the tools to improve uptime, extend equipment service life, and enhance the reliability of their EV charger systems.